Hello guys, this is Dope Tech. Today I'm going to show the leaked screenshots of the Android P. It is the first hands-on to the screenshots. It is the developer test which is leaked by the developers. It is Android P screenshot. You can see here the icons look like a circle. The UI is different and changed from the previous one, Oreo one. As you can see here, the brightness slider is on the top and the notification are colored. Settings layout is also different. So this was it guys, thanks for watching.